Here is the sign for sometimes. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed. That's my dominant hand. So with my non-dominant hand, I'm going to make this hand shape. All right, fingers together, thumb alongside. Put it here, palm facing up. That's our platform. Okay, with my right hand, my dominant hand, I'm going to stick on my index finger. I'm going to use the side of the finger, and I'm going to touch twice on my palm here, my open hand. Okay, at the same time, it's going to be a circular motion and back up to the middle. So all together we have sometimes. Now you're going to see it's a forward circular motion that kind of comes off to the side and then back up a little bit. So it's not perfectly straight up. It's not like this. It's more like this. Okay, so once again, sometimes. Sometimes. From the side, sometimes. I'll try to go slow. Sometimes. All right, so we have that circular motion. Come back up. Sometimes. From the other side, sometimes. Sometimes. All right, from the front again, here we go. Sometimes. Sometimes. All right, so let's sign together. Let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Sometimes. 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 Okay, so remember both hands. Non-dominant hand, make that platform. Stick it right there. Your dominant hand, I'm right-handed. Index finger. Now use the side of the finger. We're going to come and touch twice while doing that lopsided forward circle. All right, so sometimes. 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 Okay, we just talked about how to sign sometimes. This is the sign for always. Okay, we're going to use our index finger with your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so my index finger, here we are. Put it over here, and we're going to do 2 circles. And during the whole thing, the finger is pointing straight up, okay? Always. Always. From the side, always. Other side, always. All right, from the front once again, always. Let's do it together. Sign 3 times, starting from the rest position. Always. 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 All right, when you're signing this sign, if it's a good thing, like the mailman always comes at 3, and I love it, always. All right, if it's like the neighbor's dog always poops in my yard, it's like always. All right, you can put in a facial expression to support communicating the situation. Okay, so remember, index finger, your dominant hand, the palm is facing in. Just do a couple circles. Always. This was the sign for always.